Hello my dear and lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. Before I even begin, I want to thank you for your subscription to this channel. It means a lot to me and you are amazing. Thank you very much for subscribing to this channel, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. And some of you I have get to know a bit closely, and your friendship are very refreshing. Thank you very much. Today's tutorial is a most requested tutorial on this channel, and this is a tutorial on how to do the Edo Bridal beaded dress. And this is the blouse you are seeing by my side and also on the screen. So I've decided to do it in two parts. We have part 1 and we have part 2 for a few reasons. First reason is because it is not a beginner project. I normally like to do beginner project, but this is not a beginner project. It is difficult, but it is not that difficult. So I separate it in two parts. And secondly, to make the video a bit shorter. And thirdly, because I'm also not feeling too well at the moment, I just want to post it so that I can meet your demand. So thank you very much, and let's get to making this blouse. You can use this interlocking that we are doing now to do both the hand glove, the hairband, or any other accessory that we use in Edo Bridal dresses or attires. I have also done one interlocking before. I name it 2 ways to do interlocking. Try to master this type of interlocking and the other one so that you will be able to make different kinds of things. I use shorter beads to make the one you see in the mannequin, but I use a bit longer bead to do the one I am making now. So let's take this one off. You can make it an off shoulder like this. It depends on your taste. So the next step is to start to make the dropping.